creators, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we are going to be making some Mediterranean pasta, you guys. I love this pasta, and so does my family and my very best friend. So to start, we're going to need some olive oil, some shrimp here. I have about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. I have 2 cloves of garlic here. I have some fettuccine noodles. I have some feta cheese, 1 onion, a red listen to me, y'all, a red pepper, 2 olive oil. Okay, I think I got y'all set up good. So how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing very, very well. I pray everyone is safe and everyone is doing good. I miss you all. I am just trying to stay busy, cook, you guys, and I am working on my cookbook, so I'm trying to get that straight. And I also am working on my seasonings coming out, so I'm just trying to stay busy, you guys, one day at a time, and continue to, you know, believe in yourself. You're gonna have bad days, that's just what comes with it. But as long as you keep going and stay clear to your vision, nothing can stop you. Okay, guys? So I'm going to go ahead and cut up my onion here. I'm not going to make this video too long. So I'm probably going to speed up some of my stuff. So I'm going to cut up my onion here. That's my onion. And while you're cutting up your onion, you want to go ahead and get your noodles started. You don't want to do your shrimp first, because your shrimp cooks very, very fast. This meal, you guys, cooks very, very fast. It's not a long time thing. I have me some Himalayan salt here. I'm just gonna put in my water. Okay. And then I also have some bread over here, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and make some garlic bread. Some garlic butter bread as well. Okay. So, how have you guys been? I hope y'all been doing good. Like I said, I've just been trying to stay busy myself, you guys, and stay motivated. It's hard to stay motivated during this time. But you gotta make the best of it, of course. Again, some days gonna be good days, some days gonna be bad days. Just continue to go and thrive and do what you can, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my entire, you can put green pepper in here as well. I'm just gonna use a red pepper, okay? And then, of course, don't waste that, you guys. You gotta put it all in. Put it all in, okay. So I'm gonna give this a rinse. Yeah, I could have did it before, but I didn't. So I'm gonna give this a rinse, and y'all stay with me, okay? Okay, guys, so I have a skillet here, and I have my microplane, and I'm gonna grate me some fresh garlic up, okay? Use as much garlic as you want to. I'm using 2 cloves, but be very careful with this microplane, because I'm telling you guys, it's very, very sharp. Okay, that's a big reason why I have my gloves on, because I ain't trying to cut myself. See all your garlic there? Perfect. Slide all your garlic in. Fresh garlic is like game changer. It really is. Really good. Okay, put as much garlic as you want in here. Again, I'm going to use 2 cloves. I may even use another clove. I think I might. Y'all keep checking this phone and make sure it's recording, because I be scared. There's so many times that I don't be hitting the button. Okay. So there is my garlic, nice and grated up. Cook your noodles until they're al dente, until you like to. I don't like soggy noodles, so I cook my noodles for not a very I cook it for about 20 minutes or so. Okay. Now I'm putting in my shrimp here, and along with my shrimp, I'm going to put in some parsley. This is a very quick meal, you guys. Very quick meal. Very quick, fancy meal. Okay. Some parsley, some garlic and herb seasoning. I love seasoned food. I don't like food that's not seasoned. So, you know, you guys can, of course, do what you want as far as in following the recipe with your seasonings, but I love seasoning. Okay. Then I have some pepper here. And then I'm going to put my peppers and stuff right in here with it. Only because I don't want my peppers to be too, I don't want my peppers to be too salty. Okay. I like mine to still have a crunch to it. So I have these here. Shout out to Natasha. She told me about these noodles. And these are the homemade ones. They cook fast, she said. So, these ones are the homemade style. So, you know, it has 2 simple ingredients, which is egg and flour. You know, you guys, my husband made some pasta from scratch one time. I was amazed. You guys, pasta from scratch is really good if you know what you're doing. It was really good. I would have never imagined. So, we're going to let this cook, you guys, and then I'm going to come right back. Okay, you guys, this is coming out really good. I wish you could smell it. That is really good. I wish you could smell it. It is looking good. I did put 2 more cloves of garlic in it. Hold on. So, at this moment, I'm going to go ahead and put my pasta in, you guys. Pasta didn't take any time to cook. You shush. I'm doing a YouTube video. This cute little kid just told me to shush, y'all. Okay. Now he's whispering. Mommy, mommy. It's so funny. Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and toss this around. See how that's looking, you guys? Very, very good. At this moment, it's pretty much done. Okay? You just toss you some olives in, and then the fun part comes in just a second. Okay, and that fun part, ooh girl, you going olive crazy. Olives everywhere. Okay, I see you. All right, I'm gonna transfer this into a bowl, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I just transferred it into this little dish here. Okay, and just getting stuff everywhere. What I like to do is I like to put some olive oil over the top, you know, just to get the noodles to not stick. And then, of course, a little parsley, because all things look better with parsley, okay? And toss it around. Now, again, this is the fun part. Y'all, I like cheese, okay? I love cheese. And I'm going to put feta cheese on this thing. But I want my shrimps and stuff to be able to peek through. But I'm going to toss it again anyway. Y'all, this is the, ooh, I love feta, okay? Feta is so good. I feel like it's a key ingredient to this dish, okay? And that is it. You guys, this is one of my, again, my favorite recipes. My best friend loves it. So, definitely gonna have to give her a plate. You know what I'm saying? And you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious videos. Until next time, my creators, be blessed.